From wax to riches, the secrets to starting a profitable candle-making business. In this chapter, we will explore the wonderful world of candle-making business. Candle making is a creative and profitable venture that anyone can start from the comfort of their own home. With just a few basic supplies and some creativity, you can create beautiful and aromatic candles that people will love. The first step in starting your candle-making business is to gather all the necessary materials. You will need wax, wicks, fragrance oils, color dyes, and containers to pour the melted wax into. These supplies are easily available at craft stores or online. Once you have everything ready, it's time to start experimenting with different combinations of colors and scents to create unique candles that stand out in the market. Next, you will need to develop your branding and marketing strategies. Think about what makes your candles special and why people should choose them over others. Create a catchy name for your business and design a logo that represents your brand. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video. If you would like more information about candle making and to subscribe to our mailing list for updates and special offers via the link in the description.